everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a empties / products I regret buying video for you guys, and I've got quite a few things. I have them all inside this random Verizon bag from when I got my new phone. But yeah, there's quite a few items in here that I want to go through with you, and most of them were awesome. Some of them I only used twice and couldn't use any more because they were just that terrible. Oh, and if you like this makeup, that was the last video that I posted. It was super fun. It's this super colorful halo eye with a really dramatic wing, and I will leave the link for that in the eye as well as in the description because it was a really fun video. And let's just go ahead and reach on in this bag and see what we got. So the first thing, I actually have two by this brand. I've got a shampoo and a conditioner by the OGX brand, and it is the Lavender Luminescent Platinum Shampoo. Wait, this title is much longer than that. Hydrate and Color Reviving plus Lavender Luminescent Platinum Shampoo with UVA UVB Sun Filters. That's long. But it was a really good shampoo. I really liked it and it smelled awesome, but I used it all up. I have something different now. And then I also have the Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. This was awesome. I did repurchase this. It was so wonderful. I actually also bought the leave-in conditioner. So if you have curly hair, I would definitely recommend this as well as this. This works so well. I always have to use a leave-in conditioner. I actually went through all of my previous leave-in conditioner. This stuff lasts so long. I honestly had this for years. I had this when I was in college. This lasts so long. So this is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and I have been using this same leave-in conditioner since I was in high school. I probably got this when I was 16, and I probably only had to repurchase it once, so that just shows you how long it lasts. Or maybe twice. I probably repurchased it once in college and then maybe once after, unless this is the same one from college. I don't really remember. But it worked really, really well. And you see immediate results from this one, I feel like. I love this so much, but I wanted to try something different because, like I said, I had been using that since high school. That's been 8 years that I've been using the same thing, so I wanted to try something different. So I got this and I really like it. And next up, I actually didn't finish using this, but this is the Freeman's Polishing Charcoal and Black Sugar Gel Mask and Scrub. I bought this a long time ago, but then when I started doing the glass skin challenge, I realized that it was kind of having adverse effects on my skin. I also realized from that challenge that I think I have sensitive skin. So I'm trying to stay away now from scrubs, especially scrubs with really huge granules like this one. The one that I have right now, I just finished it up. It was by Aveeno and the granules were much smaller, but I don't really want to get any more scrub exfoliants. A lot of people have mentioned chemical exfoliants, so I want to do some more research. If you know anything about that, please let me know it down in the comments, because I don't want to tear my skin to shreds, which, let's just go ahead and talk about this now that we're talking about tearing my skin to shreds. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. As you can see, it's barely been touched. This is the worst. I know so many people have been raving about it, so many beauty gurus and my own friends, so many people love it. It is vegan, which is awesome, but it really just killed my skin and it's still recovering. It's been 2.5 months of recovery and I'm still getting over using this foundation. Now, I think my problem was that I was trying to use it as an everyday foundation, and then when I was doing research, someone said not to do that. But why are you gonna buy a foundation if you're not gonna use it every day? Because I don't really like to mix up my foundations that much. I'll usually have 2 or 3 on hand and use basically the same one every day, unless I'm feeling a little crazy and I'll try something different. But thought that I would used this every day. Like, it seemed really great, and like I used it 2 days and I was loving it, and then it was just all downhill from there. Like, my entire face broke out, and that has never happened to me. I've never had bad acne like that. I get acne, you know, during that time of the month, and that's really it. I'll have like 1 or 2 breakouts, but I have just consistently had tiny little bumps all over my face, and it's finally clearing up. I still have some problem areas, and I had to like wash all of my brushes where they had been contaminated with this. Not even my foundation brushes, but also my foundation brushes, my contour brushes, like everything, because where it had just come in contact with the foundation. Like, that shouldn't happen. And Wet n Wild, like, it's cheap, but we're still putting this on our skin. We don't want it to kill our skin, you know? Like, at least give us something better than that. And I actually have 2 different toners in here. So the first one, I got this one for the Glass Skin Challenge. This is the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, and this was really, really great. And then when I used up all of this, I just wanted to try something different because I never really used that many toners. So I went out and I bought the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh toner, and I loved this. I actually bought a second one. This one is so great. The only thing that I don't like about this is that when you open it up, it's just like anything. Oh, there's some more in there. Like, the first time I opened this, I made a huge mess because I didn't realize there wasn't going to be like something, you know, I guess similar to like this one where it's just a small hole and you can kind of like squirt it on a little cotton pad. But no, this one was like just a waterfall on my vanity, and it was not pretty, and I had to clean it all up. So what I actually did was, because I had an empty bottle already, I just poured all of this inside here, and then I used this one. So I thought that was great. It worked out really well, but I would really love it if L'Oreal would come out with an easier way to let us not spill this all over everything. But it is a great toner. I really love it. And I also have a foundation in here. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Compact. I have bought another one of these. This is in the color Light, and it does come with a sponge, and I really, really like the sponge. And then it just like sits in there. There's a mirror. Flip it open. There's the product. And I really, really like it a lot. It actually does have SPF 50, so that's awesome. It says full coverage. I don't agree with that. I would say it's medium coverage at best. But it does say for all skin types, and I definitely highly, highly, highly recommend this. This is my favorite foundation. I'm trying not to use it too much, the new one that I just bought, because I love it and I want it to last, but I've started using it every day again. So I want to like start cutting back because I want it to last, you know? And then I also have a Mario Badescu aloe and rose water spray. I did get another one of these. I didn't realize, I like grabbed this at the checkout and it was $7. And then I realized that the regular size, this is twice the size of this one, is $7. So I literally paid the same amount for half as much product, but whatever. The past is the past, but I have the full size now and I love it. That's again one that I don't use every day. I kind of just use it as like a little pick-me-up, or if I feel like my skin is kind of dragging, I'll do a little spritz. But yeah, I really, really like that. Really recommend it. I love Mario Badescu. And I've got a moisturizer here. This is another one that I have also repurchased. This is wonderful. This is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer with salicylic acid. So I really love that. I definitely do notice a difference when I use this. I do think that it helps clear up some of my acne. So definitely recommend this. I love it a lot. I have 2 more little things in here. These are like little sample size masks by Origin. I also had another one, but I guess I threw it away. So we'll just say that I have 3 of these little masks. It wasn't like a trio set, but it's the dermabrasion mask, which I didn't finish this kind of for the same reason as that Freeman's mask. It was just too harsh on my skin, and the granules were like very irregular and like sharp. Like I could feel it tearing my skin, so that is not the best. So I stopped using that, but I did also have the charcoal mask. I loved that so much, but my favorite from the trio was the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask, and it smells so good. Like, it smells so citrusy, and I love citrus, and the packaging is also really cute. They've changed the packaging because I've got this like whole trio before. But yeah, they changed the packaging and I like this a lot better. It's not that different, but it's like, there's like some floral element to it. But yeah, I would use this at night, and then I would wake up in the morning and my skin just was so smooth and so revitalized, and I definitely recommend using either like a really thick moisturizer or an overnight mask because they really work. So love this a lot. I probably should just go ahead and get the full size because I loved it so much. So that's everything that I've used up basically from the beginning of 2018 till now. Not really as much as you would think it would be. Yeah, I feel like over 4 months there would have been more stuff, but I mean, it was a good amount, but it was mostly good stuff though, which is good because I would just hate to have spent all the money on all of this stuff for all of it to just be bust. The only bad ones were those scrubs and then the Devil's Work foundation that I will never use or recommend to anyone in my life ever. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know. Let me know if you want to see like Holy Grail products. That would be a fun one. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure that you are subscribed, and also make sure that you press that little bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post a new video, and I will just see you guys in the next one.